In this guide, I'm going to show you the two best places that you can use to find apricots here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just have them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, get loaded into Arc Raiders, hit play, and you're going to open up a page that looks like this. First, get loaded into Blue Gate. And if you hit inspect on Blue Gate, it's going to pull up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go ahead and head to the Olive Grove. You actually see this marked with like a little like nature symbol here on the map. And it's actually right below the checkpoint right here. And this is the nature symbol here. This is a super easy spot to get this. When you get here, you're going to have to interact with some trees to make the apricots drop. So don't just walk past them. The second great spot though is actually going to be in Buried City. Open that up, hit inspect, and within this option, what you're going to want to do is go right in the middle of Murano Park. There is another option where you can find apricots on the ground, and some trees will drop them if you shake or interact with them. These are by far the best areas and the most reliable for collecting apricots here in the game, and they are perfect if you're trying to stock up for crafting and cooking. Make sure to explore both of these areas. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.